Okay, so today I'm out in the barn. We're going to finish up hopefully installing the center console. We've got to put the sides on, put the top back on. We're going to have to do a little bit more cutting and more using with the hot stapler. So stay tuned. So where we're at right now, we've got the new piece cut. We're fit as close as we can right now. The next thing we've got to do is cut into this in order to try and get that to suck into it more. So we'll end up taking a magic marker, tracing this, then we're going to cut a groove into here to be able to fit that into there before we then go up onto the next trim piece. So we'll see you back at the table. All right, so what we've done here is we've cut out what so far feels like a good shape. We've got this where this will sit into there, and you can see that black magic marker line. I can still take a little bit of material out for final fitment, but what I really like is that fitment through there is really nice. It really just fits. There we go. It fits in there really good. And so what we're going to do now is reinstall it into the car, test fit it again with it in the car to figure out the final cut that we need to do. But that's the essential cut that we've done off of just the passenger side to get this to fit from the original center console to be able to blend everything together. Then we will still end up having to do a final cut of one of these in order to cut it like this, but again with a final better fitment. Okay, here's what it looks like from this side. I'm not happy with the overall color of it. I don't think it shows up too bad on camera, but the color of the dash and the console itself don't look as good as I would like. But for now, that gives you the idea how it looks as a whole and how we did it. Okay, so that's where we're going to stop for today. We've still got to re-dye the center console, re-dye the dash. I'm not happy with the way the color looks. I don't know if it shows up on camera or not. But as far as the overall install, that's where we're going to end it for this series. Thanks.